Rebel Nation. INC, man. Hey, so you're listening to Rebel Nation INC, and Dave's not here, man. I don't know where the fuck he could be, but this is Killer Cowboy, and I'm a legit stoner champion, Colorado, bruh. Hell yeah, I am. So the cops put their cuffs away when they see me smoking like a train. Yeah, choo choo, pass that fucker around, and I double hit it now. So I'm gonna party foul my own damn self, cause I'm so high. Holy fucking shit, was that Tommy Chong guy? And I got some bubonic chronic in my sock, and the motherfucker's really ranking it up. Not my feet, bruh. The fucking dank ass weed that I'm motherfucking smoking. Cause I am a king, Colorado Springs 719, man, we got the finest fucking green. And it's legal too, so you ain't gotta sweat nothing, fool, cause the cops will